Hello, my name is Felix Yeboah, and I welcome you back to my channel. Alright, so this video serves as an introductory video to our website that I come to develop. Okay, so I'll use this opportunity to give you the highlights and our expectation at the end of this video. Okay, so at the end of this video, you are supposed to be able to develop your own website. Own website using the Mobirise software. So you're supposed to develop your own website. All right, for the first time. It could be the first time of you developing a website. Website development, website creating these days, it's not difficult. You get it. So for the Mobirise software that you'll be using, it's just drag and drop, then your own creativity sets in. Okay, so when you flip to the classroom mode, you'll go and see how we download the application and see how we can use it to develop our website. Going forward, if you check our overview, we talked of uploading our website or web application content on a shared server or on a cloud server for everybody to get access to it wherever the person is. All right, so this is the first step. We are creating the website. When we are done, we'll find time in one of our videos and see how we would upload it to the online services so that everybody can access it. All right, so today you learn how to make your first money. You create a website. So if you on your own, if you are working on a project and you want to get a website for yourself, you can just easily quickly watch this video and build your own website by your own creativity. Okay, and if a friend of yours also wants you to develop something for him or her, you can, since you've gotten the impartation. All right, so you can now develop the website for the person, then you get money for your pocket. Do you get it? So I'll end here, all right, and flip to the classroom mode. We'll meet soon. Welcome back to the classroom mode. Okay, so over here, all right, let's see how we are going to we will download the application from the mobirise.com. All right, the Mobirise website. Okay, so in your browser, you enter Mobirise, Mobirise, Mobirise. All right, you enter it in the search bar, then you search for it. Okay, so when the results comes, you just click on this one, mobirise.com. So you click, then it opens. The steps are very simple. So when it opens, depending on the machine you are using, I'm using Windows, so I'll choose download for Windows. And if you scroll down to you, you'll be amazed the kind of themes it comes with. So there are several of them, depending on how you want to use them. Okay, so you can read about it. So these are sample sites that you can, by your own creativity, you can just work on them. All right. Okay, have free downloads. All right. So I'll go back up here and click on download for Windows. All right. So thanks for blah blah blah. It's downloading. All right. So let's wait for it. It doesn't take much time to download it. So after downloading, you can just click to install. You can click on it and it will open for you to start the installation. Yes. Okay, so you click on install and you just initiate and complete the installation process. It's very simple. It's just very simple. Few clicks and you are through. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly take this opportunity whilst you are waiting for the application to install to subscribe to the channel. Okay, hit on the red button down there. All right, then you click on the bell too as well. Okay, so that anytime that we put any video on the channel, you'll be among the first group to get it up. All right, so let's wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so this is the the first screen, after installation. All right. So now let's try to create our own, start a new website content. So let's try to create our own website now. When you hover, your mouse on the three, on these three lines here, okay, at the top left corner, all right, the menu will pop up. Good. Okay. Then you go to site, all right. You click on site, then you go to create new site. So you can choose the theme that you want to work with. All right. So when you come here, mm, these are all paid ones, so you have to pay for them. Okay. But there are free ones that you can work with. Okay. So you can create the name of your site. Um, my first, sorry, my first website. First website. Let's select this. You can choose Mobirise 5 or AMP. So you create the name of your website, then you select the Mobirise 5, and you wait for the themes to load up. Okay. All right. Do you want to create your site based on Mobirise 5 themes? Yeah. Okay. So we have a blank sheet, a clean slate. All right. Then it's telling us to click here to start. Okay. So we're now going to do the drag and drop. All right. So when you click on this, you see when you hover on it, it tells you add block to page. Okay. So when we will click on it, then we have variety of blocks to be added. So it has grouped us. It has grouped the content here. All right. So we have menu, we have headers, we have features, articles, images, a lot of them, pricing, numbers, lists, a whole lot of them. All right. So let's play around it. All right. Let's play around it. Okay. So definitely your website will come with the menu. So when you click on the menu, you see these are the menus. So how do you want that menu to be? Okay, do you want it to come with our logo or just the name with some Facebook icons up there? Do you get it? So anyhow that you want it. So we drag, let's say we are selecting this one. You can click and it will go there, or you drag and position it where you want to position it to. So we have our menu created. All right. So let's go to the headers. So the header, how do you want the header to be? The first index page. What you are doing is a single page website. All right, single page website. So after this presentation, you can delve into it, so that you can delve into this application to know how you can add other things to it. You get it? But I mostly like single page website, because it doesn't take much of your client's data. When it loads one time, it loads, everything is there. You just be scrolling through them. Okay. So let's select. Yeah, I like dark themes. So let me use this. All right. Okay. It's drag and drop. No hassle. Drag and drop. So I'm just dragging and dropping based on your own creativity. As I said, based on creativity. Okay. So let's go to the features. So from here, after the intro, let's put some article, or we don't have to put features there right now. So let me see if I can put some welcome something, welcome message from the CEO or the MD or something. So let me go to articles. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Article title. Let me see which one would be nice. This one comes with white image. Oh, I don't know which one would be nice. This looks like a quote. Looks like a quotation something. Okay. So I think I can use this one. All right, so after here, let me put some of, let's say, gallery people contacts. Let's see, let's scroll through. I see. Probably let's talk about ourselves, some of the things that we do in a business. So we can introduce the you know the next block. All right, we can introduce the next block with a title, let's say about us or something. So let me go back to the article. I'll get one. Okay, yeah, let me drop this one here. Okay, I'll go and edit them. All right, then I talk of some things that we do, some of our projects that we do. All right, so services, we have features, we have services. I'll put our services here. Okay, this one even comes with its own caption, so there wouldn't be any need for me to put this one here. All right, so I'll just, you see this, that's the block. So you want to take it off, so I'll click on more and delete. Okay, I've deleted it. So now let's continue. So we have the menu, we have the home page, we have a message from the CEO, we have our services. Okay, we have our services. Then let's flip through. So after our services, let's say we have what you get. This is so nice, eh? Okay, it's amazing. So let's see. So we have our services here. Menu, message from the CEO, services. Let's say we have your clientele. Okay, your client that you serve. Okay, so let's flip through and see which best defines your clients. Okay, so this is your team. Okay, so services, it's good to follow up with your teams. And the teams, if this one is moving up this way, the style becomes the same. So you just we can tweak the style. So you see, we have this side and we have this side here. All right, but this one comes with the title here already. The team, our team. All right, you can have that one already, but you can also select this or select this. Okay, so which one that you prefer? Okay, to in order for you to create diversity in the view, in the presentation, your services already comes in that form. Okay, in that form. So with our theme, I prefer we choose different style. Okay, so that it will create a certain difference. All right, differences between the two. Okay, are you following? All right, so you see how simple it is. We are gradually creating a website. Gradually creating a website. So let's see. You have testimonials. We are not going to testimonials. We have contacts, maps, location, links. We are coming. Hey, we are heading towards the footer. No. Let's see. Names, articles. Our news. You can drop your news. You can have your timelines too here. Wow, that is nice. Okay, so coming soon. There's numbers. So let's say you have list of list of itinerary that you want to put on a website. Okay, so they come here, probably day 1 or day 2 or day 3. The timelines, you can just drop them here. All right, so since this image, okay, so let me put the timelines here. Okay, wow. This is nice. Okay, so as I'm saying, it's drag and drop. So nobody frequently asked questions. That is very powerful feature on websites. Okay, so this is toggle, this is accordion. All right, accordion and toggle. All right, that's nice. Accordion, when you click, it drops down. Toggle behaves something like that. So let me put accordion. I like the accordion. Then You have a cascade pages here. So here you have a lot of tabs. You can create a lot of tabs and you put content in them. Okay, but that's it's kind of encapsulation. I don't want it that way. You clients has to see the contents as like one time. I don't have to do, you don't have to avoid clicks, the number of clicks on your website. All right, you just have to give easy access to your clients when they come on board. It depends. When you are doing a web application, that one is different from website. Website, you don't let your client hassle in navigating through. All right, okay, so let's scroll. Coming soon. Let's go. So you probably, if you are dealing with e-commerce, if you sell something on your site too, you have access to put some of you have the privilege to put some of your contents there and their prices. If you are dealing with selling one or two of your products, you can just drop them there. All right. So we have this. The images are here. So let me put this here. Okay, so now some people will try to contact us. All right, so let's go to forms. If you want to contact us, let's see, these are too raw. Get in touch, they are too raw. See this, contact us, it comes with an image. This kind of thing is nice. Then let's show our location to them. Let's show them our location. Okay, so it's good to put your map there. All right, so that people can easily locate you wherever you are. They get it. I want to come to your shop. I don't have to be asking around. Hey, I'm going to shop A, shop B. Can you show me the direction? Nope. You put a direction on the website and people can easily flow. You get it. They can just visit your site anytime and come to your shop at any point in time. All right, so you have your phone, email. So contact us. I'll bring another one here, so you can fill this form. Then your map is here too. Okay, all right, so now therefore we are done. Our website is complete. I've created a website. Simple. In less than 20 minutes we are done with the website template. Now you have to put in the content in there. All right, but the content I'll leave it for you. You can just put in any content of yourself. All right. Okay, so now let's hit the footer. So the footer. So you can have this footer here. You can have this. I like this. This is nice, simple and nice. This, when your website has a lot of information, then you drop it here. You can use this one. Depend on the site that you are working with. All right, but I like this. So it's just simple, simplicity is added. Then I'm done. So once you are done with the blocks, you can just close it. Click on close, and now let's see our site. Wow. Okay. All right. So let's now try to view this site in our browser. All right, so how do we do that? We do that by clicking on publish. Okay, publish. So when I click on publish, then you set the location of the file. Okay, you set the location. So I click on location, then I browse the location, the folder that I want this one to be in. Okay, so I'll go to browse. Let me just put it on my desktop. I don't have anything like a folder like that, so let me create a new folder here and say Mobirise workflow. Let me put it like that. Okay, so I'll select this one. I'll click on it. Clicking is like selecting it. Then I click select folder. So I have it here. Then I now publish. So it will be published into that folder, to organize the content into that folder. So to do, when it's done, it will automatically load the browser. Good. All right, so you are done with your first website template. Okay, so when you scroll through, you have everything here. This you can publish it on your site. Okay, you can just buy a hosting package from these online guys, then you host your server there. Okay, so that is it. First template is done. So now let's go back to see how we can add some effects. When I click on about us, it should connect to something. All right, services, it should connect to something. Contact us, it should connect to something. All right, so since we have services, we have our theme. We can even add the theme to it. All right, we have timelines. We can add more content to the menu. Okay, so let's go back and see how we can make some changes. All right, so go back. All right, back to. So let's now see how we can connect this menu, this about us, to let me say this. Okay, let me use this one as about us. Okay, all right. So when you click on it, it's links. So when you click on it, these buttons will pop up. Then you hover on this one, you see you have links there. So you click on this link. Then you now connect it to, you connect it to one of the blocks. Okay, so here is not the web address. So we come here to the pages, and we go to block on home page. We select, and as you hover, it shows to the right side for you to see where you are referring to. So this one, so this is where you want to connect the about us to. So we click on it. We don't want it to open in a new tab when you click on it. All right, so just leave it as it is. Then we just go to insert link. We are done. Okay, then we go to services. We do the same thing. Link, go back here, page, the services. So these are the services. We click on it, insert, contacts. So we click on it. So the contacts was down here. So you have contacts. Click on it, insert. We are done. So now let's add menu to it. Let's add some menu to it. Okay, so menu items to it. Okay, so when you click on this, you see we have add item. All right, so we click on add item. So you have double contact here, so you can add a lot of items to it. Okay, so this one we will make it, we will make it our team. So our team here, we will link it to the team. Okay, all right, so that's all. So you can add several of them. If you want to add a drop down, if you want to create a drop down from here to when you click on let me add one. Let me call it form. And I want to have menu under the form. All right, so when you click here, see we have add sub menu. All right, add sub menu. So when I click the item, it allows me to enter one item. So I'll say form A. Okay, form A. You see it has given me the drop down sign here. So when I click on it again, I can add another sub menu. Then that one I can name it form B. Okay, I'm done. And if let's say I want to also add another sub menu within the form B, when I click on it to the same menu, the same menu item pops up. So I click on this and I have a new item here. Okay, so that is how simple that one too is. Okay, so now let's connect, let's say form A to the form that we have. Okay, insert. All right, so now let's see how we can let's see where we've got into now. Right, so the Mobirise here, the name of your website, you can change it. When you click on it, it allows you to change it. Okay, so you see my first website. Let me smile. My first website. So let's publish it. Let's publish it and see what we have done so far. It's very simple. All right. So we have my first website here, and we have the forms, the menu, but the menu items here too. So the form that you created, cascaded one that you created, you see how it works. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So now let's see how it works. So we connected this about us to this site, connected the services to the services, contacts to contacts, our team, our teams here, then the form A, voila, you are good to go. Okay, so you can play with it, however you want it. You can just play with it. All right, so now let's go back and see one or two things that we can also do. Okay, so we have social media icons here. So how do we connect these social media icons to your icon, your social media handles? All right, so when you click, for example, if you click on Facebook, when you click on it, okay, you see we have here link icon to. So where you replace this one, okay, you replace that. When you click on it, okay, this pop-up will come. So you now put your website, your Facebook link here. All right, you copy and paste it here. Then here it has to open in a new tab, in a new window. All right, it's not advisable to open such social media links within within the same tab. All right, so you open it in a new tab. Good. So that is how we do it. So insert, then when you are done, you just go to insert icon, or you can close it. All right, so we have they say you do the same for the Twitter and the Instagram, right? So let's see if you want to change any of these images, like this one, this screen. If you want to change it, when you click here, okay, when you click on the settings, you have the settings of this block. All right, so you can choose to not make it appear in a full screen, or you can make it full screen when it loads. Okay, the width, you can also click, you can just play with it, the width. All right, you can play with it, the width of the text, you can just play with them. The position and other things. All right, align, the alignments too, you can just play with the alignment. So these are here for you to just play with them. Okay, so the image, you can put a video there instead of image. You can also put a video there. So when you click on the video, that one will go, and the link will come for you to put, select your video link and you drop it there. All right, okay, so that is it for this side. Okay, all right, so I'll maintain the settings. Then here, the white background is okay for me, right? The services, you see, when you want to add this image, you can change these images. So how do you change the images? When you click on it, it automatically load all the images in the library, the site library, to load all of them. So which one that you want to use, you can use it. Or if you also have your own images, you have here browse from computer. So browse computer, and you click on it, then you search for your images and appears. But you have to note that, you see, these images comes with the same size. That's why they are appearing like that. So whatever image that you choose to use, you have to make sure the images are of the same dimension, so that it will add up to the beauty of the site. Okay, all right, so if you want to make any changes to this text here, you just click select, you can type anything there. All right, that is how simple it is. So now, therefore, we bring this class to, and then, okay, let's go to this accordion. The accordion, when you click, you can put your content here. When you click, you put the content here, and you can change them. You just click to change it to suit what you want to do. All right, so this is your first website. Make it happen. Okay, make it happen. So you, as I said earlier on, as this class ends, you are supposed to, create your own website of yourself. All right, good. So now let's go to where our file has been kept. All right, we saved the file on our desktop. So on our desktop we have here Mobirise Works. When you click on it, there are only 3 files or so. So if we should host this one, if we should upload this on our content on our server, we just copy this to upload it, and then when anybody views it, we are good to go. They get it. You see our website in grand style. All right. So when you double click on this index, the site opens for us. Okay. So congratulations. So with Mobirise, you can create your own website now. All right. So start practicing. Get your hands dirty, right? Get your hands dirty. So bring this video to an end. I think we have achieved our purpose, okay, for the video. All right. So let's get our hands dirty on it. All right. Then let's see you in my next video. But if you have not subscribed yet, kindly hit on the subscription button. All right.